Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to make shadow frame effect on CapCut. So if you also want to make shadow frame effect on CapCut, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open CapCut. After that, click on the option create new project. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is import the video in which you want to add the shadow frame effect. You can see over here I have already imported it. Now what you have to do is click on the video. Now simply press Ctrl C. We're going to paste it later. Now first of all what you have to do is go to the effects option that you can see right over here. Now simply search for the blur option. Now here you'll be able to find the blur effect. Simply drag it over here. Adjust it according to your video size. Now what you have to do is click on the import option that you can see right over here. Now import a black background. Simply drag it like this. Adjust its size. Now what you have to do is paste the video that we had copied earlier. Simply press Ctrl V. Take it to the top. Now scale it according to your choice. Now right over here what you have to do is click on the mask option. You can see over here I have already clicked on it. Select rectangle. Now adjust the size according to your choice. You can also feather it a little bit. Now click on the black background that you imported earlier. Click on the option basic. Scroll down. Under the blend section you'll be able to find the option for opacity. What you have to do is adjust the opacity a little. Lower it down according to your choice. For me about 11% is fine. Now simply play the video. Now you can see over here you just added a cool shadow frame effect. So that is how you make shadow frame effect on CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.